Just go for it whenever you want, bro.
Alright. Oh, fuck me. There's 2 plugs in the back. Fuck. These bitches are itched together. You see these fucking green things?
Yeah.
I think they might be higher injectors, higher fuel injectors, higher CC fuel injectors.
Better injectors. So I mean, they're not stock then, huh?
Probably not. Because why would they be electric fucking green? It actually might be cheap. Fuck off, this shit is rusted on. I'm like 10,000% sure. It's almost out. Eat it. I said it was easy. This is not fucking easy to take out. Alright boys, we got out the fucking idling air control valve after like, how long is this?
Like fucking 30 minutes.
Like 30 minutes.
Wasn't that much.
Nah, it wasn't that long really. Yeah. Alright, so now we fucking take this shit apart and then clean it, apparently, so yeah. This ship's sealed. Oh, this shit. That's gonna be fucking
Why you launch over strips?
What if I just strip it?
Too late.
What if I strip it the other one?
Go. Strip it, I fucking dare you.
No, man. This isn't worth lunch. This is worth nothing. Damn, this is hard. Oh, man.
Oh shit. Piece of shit. Piece of shit.
Alright guys,
Look at this dumbass. He got fucking brake clean.
Oh, fuck, that
It
shit
is
hurt.
I.
You see that shit? Oh, I got fucking brake cleaner in that shit. That shit hurt like a motherfucker. Fuck, I don't know if you guys saw that shit, but that shit was so fucked.
That's the one I didn't get it, bro. That's the one thing I didn't get.
Yeah, fucking, I was cleaning this. Yeah, it's cleaning
You
this.
shot brake clean, which shoots fast as fuck.
Yeah.
You know it shoots fast as fuck. And you shoot it into a hole that's gonna fucking go back at you.
Yeah, it was tiny holes and that shit fucking hurt. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna shoot that fucking hard.
Oh
but
my god.
fuck, that shit hurt like a motherfucker.
Can you believe this guy works at a fucking shop? Oh my god.
The shit that I use without, like, cause I don't even know if I was supposed to use the straw or not. And didn't use the straw. And I fucking just shot it. So
Same shit.
Yeah, that shit. Like, it just splashed back in my fucking eye. That shit burned pieces. That shit was fucking painful. Alright, well.
He was crying and everything.
Yeah, that shit hurt. I can't fuck. Well, I wasn't crying, but
His mama came to save him and shit. His daddy
my
had to
dad
help him.
fucking helped me. Fuck, that shit hurt though.
He cleaned it for you. He cleaned everything for you.
Yeah, you cleaned all the shit?
Yeah.
Alright then. Probably put the shit back together then real quick. Or actually, let me look at the rest of the video. Oh, that was an idiot.
What an idiot.
I'm an idiot. You're an idiot.
You got fucking brake clean your fucking eye. One of the worst things seen in your eye.
How? because it's industrial.
Exactly.
Fuck, this shit is not fucking coming off. You wanna try?
You got WD-40? Come on, bro. Think a little bit.
I did.
What, you gotta spray this too or what?
Yeah, you gotta clean it too. There's a spring and stuff.
Oh.
So like this. Yeah, but I'll set up properly so I don't go shoot shit.
You didn't tell me I was gonna make a big mess.
Damn, Mizzy Mari got beat.
It feels the same. I think it's because I have the WD-40 in here. Alright. Got this bitch reassembled finally. Hopefully this fucking works. I didn't get brake cleaner in my eye for nothing. If not, I think we have to fuck with this bolt while the car's on. If that doesn't work, then it's something else, and I have no fucking idea. But yeah, probably be back when we get this bitch back on and test it out. What's up? Oh! I was gonna bang you. I have my. Oh, you want the longer one? Didn't I give you the longer one? Oh shit. Huh?
Is it a flex head wrench?
A flex head wrench?
Never mind.
I like having my bitches work on my car. What the fuck did I do with it? I know, that's why. It's not over there? Anywhere? The fuck? Hold on. Guys, he's working it out here. Shit. Oh, fuck. I fucking love this, man. I'd nine you real quick, motherfucker. Go for it. Got everything connected, hopefully. Hopefully this shit works. If not, I'm gonna fuck with that screw that I was talking to you guys about before. Alright, so kind of the camera fucked up and we ran out of memory here, but nonetheless, we fucking, okay, where's the light at? Let me grab the light real quick. Nay, it died!
Oh my god.
Alright, for sure. Oh, shit. My keys! Alright, so basically, there's a screw. This screw right here. There's a screw in here. And it controls how fucking high you idle on this car.
Supposedly.
No, it does, because it fucking went down. Well, we'll show you. We'll probably show you guys. But yeah, so it went down. It used to idle at 2,000, high 2,000s, and it'd rev up to like 2,500. Now it goes down to like what, 1,200? 1,200, 1,300, and it revs down to about, I mean, revs up to about what, 2K?
Yeah, 2,000.
Yeah, it revs up pretty high, but
After you rev it, it stays steady at 2,000, then it drops back to
yeah,
1,200.
it's after a while, but
So that probably means that we have an air leak somewhere, vacuum leak.
yeah, somewhere in this fucking mess. Vacuum leak test. I'm gonna have to do that.
Yeah, it's pretty simple.
If not, hook up these fucking fans. See if the ECU fucking something happens with that. If not, me and
Rebuild.
Ace Houston fucked.
Rebuild.
No, not a rebuild. First of all,
Rebuild.
if I would ever rebuild this thing, I'd rather just buy a new engine.
Swap it.
swap it. You got the money for that? Yeah.
I got money for a car.
You ain't got money for your car, dog. Yeah, I like how the only thing that looks nice in my car is the battery. Like, you just look back. Maybe the engine cap. It looks good on the camera, but in person it looks like dog shit. Battery looks nice. That looks nice.
Intake looks nice.
Intake looks...
Radiator looks nice.
Oh, radiator. Oh, no, yeah. That looks nice. That looks nice. Yeah.
Everything else is fucking shit.
Everything else is pretty fucking shit. Got some fucking parts coming in. Pretty sick parts. The secret for that video. We got some dope parts coming in. It's just one thing, but it's pretty fucking dope.
Make the shit run first.
Yeah, well, we will soon. I give this 2 weeks max, and it'll be running properly.
I'll get it done in a day. But it's gonna take time.
Oh, he thinks he works at because he works at fucking the local tire shop. He works at a Goodyear. Oh no, he works at a Goodyear and he thinks he's a mechanico.
Certified fucking technician, bro.
Show me the deeds. Show me the fucking.
I can't show you right now. I don't got my fucking.
Show me the fucking certifications, dog.
I'm certified.
You're certified in fucking. Certified nowhere.
Fuck, you have a job, bro. You got fucking brake cleaner in your fucking eye.
Fuck off. That doesn't mean anything. I'm surprised I didn't go blind.
You'll see. Just wait.
Just wait until tomorrow and I can't see out of my fucking right eye. Alright guys, well then that's probably it. Oh, we'll probably actually end up showing you how low it idles now. Just gotta fuck with that clip. Or the bolt actually. So yeah, probably gonna get a clip of that. Any last word, Jesus?
That's it, bro. Just finish it off.
Finish it. Alright then. Get that clip in now. Ariadi!
Fucking god.
I'm working with the fucking neighbors!
That bitch is loud.
Oh, see, look how it goes. See, now it goes down to about a K.
Which is good.
Which is good, which before it was at fucking 2,000. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, boys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. That's it.
Comment, rate, whatever.
Comment, rate, whatever. Motherfucker, say Instagram, but yeah, but we got this shit. It's fine. We out.